Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a restaurant landing page in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Restaurant Landing Page. Choose the goal that best fits your business and click Create. Inside your funnel, click Add Step and select an opt-in page or sales page. Choose a clean, modern template, and click Edit Page. Start by adding a headline like, "Experience delicious food today" or "Reserve your table in minutes." Next, write a short description about your restaurant, cuisine, and what makes your dining experience unique. Add high-quality photos of your signature dishes. Restaurant interior, chefs, and dining atmosphere. Include your menu highlights, opening hours, location, customer reviews, and contact information. Now add a reservation or contact form where visitors can book a table or request more information. Finish by adding a call to action button such as "Reserve your table" or "Order now." Click Save Changes and preview your landing page before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a restaurant landing page in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.